How to delete CoinMarketCap account. If you would like to delete your account on CoinMarketCap, it is actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the CoinMarketCap app, and this is the interface that you will be able to see right here. Now what you have to do from here is you have to simply tap on the profile icon located at the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the profile icon located at the top right, this is the interface that you will be able to see, and from here what you have to do is simply go to this option that says settings. Now once you go to settings, you want to scroll under account, look for the option that says delete account. So just tap on the delete account button there. You can acknowledge to the personal terms and conditions, check the box below, and your request will be processed within 28 days, which means that until the 28 days it is actually going to just remain deactivated. So anytime you change your mind within 28 days, you can have a chance to reactivate your account, but after 28 days your account will be permanently deleted and it will no longer be recoverable. So depending on what you want to do, you can tap the confirm button to do so. So I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.